In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L8050 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until a bus should appear in this window. And once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So eventually you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set here. And once ready, please type for Epson L8050 space driver. Once done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result, which is this one. So from here, please proceed to the first result, click on it, and eventually you would be redirected to the window where you can see the Epson L8050 driver. All you need to do is you need to scroll down. Okay, just scroll down the list and click on downloads to refresh the page and kindly wait until you get an option where you can select your operating system. Okay, so once it's here, click on this down arrow key and use Windows 11 and click on go and kindly wait until you will be able to see the printer driver. So click on this downloads again to refresh the page and kindly wait until you can see the driver. Once it's here, please click on drivers and eventually you can see the printer driver. All you need to do is you need to click on download and in that way you would be able to bring up this kind of window where you can see it ask you to agree on the license agreement, click on accept, and then that way it will now start in the loading process. So click on keep and wait until this will be finished before we proceed to the installation. Okay, so once done, all you need to do is you need to click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, all you need to do is you need to make a right click to the specific file, click on this cut icon, and once done, close the window as well as this one. And from here at the desktop, all you need to do is you need to make a right click and click on paste. So once you have pasted the file, all you need to do is you need to unzip it. So there are two ways in how to unzip that. You can double tap that and that way you would be able to unzip that, or you can simply make a right click and wait until you can see the WinRAR tool would be available on under the list of the option at the second to the last option. And once it's here, click on extract to L8050. So once done, all you need to do is you need to proceed with the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. So from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the options and please locate with Bluetooth and devices. And eventually you can see this kind of window. Please select for printers and scanners and click on add device. And wait until you can see an option where you can manually add the printer driver. Click on it. Once it's here, add manually. And choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow. Can use among of this three USB port. Click on next. Go with half disk and click on browse and go with the desktop. Scroll down on the list again, double tap to it, double tapped, double tapped, and it will show you the driver. So select any of this. Anyway, the function similarly in words for that. So click on OK, and eventually it will be placed here. Click on next. Click on next, and it will now start on the installation. So kindly wait until this installation process would be completed. Once done, please click on next and go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L8050 printer series in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.